Alright, entrepreneurship classes, this is the third video of our market day pitch calculations. So we're going to do economies of 1 unit and your operating costs. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to figure out a selling price per unit. So again, per unit would be the 3 tacos and a drink. That's 1 unit that you're going to sell. So for something like this, knowing my customer base, knowing that if I don't want to charge too high a price, if I charge $10, that might be too much, especially since I'm dealing with cash only. But if I don't want to charge too little, because I need to have at least charge $2.80 in order to break even. So I think a fair thing that I'm going to do is $5. So I'm going to sell those for, so that is going to be my price. The direct labor per unit we know is 36 cents. We know the material cost per unit from the second video was $2.44. So we know it is $2.80. And if we minus $5 from $2.80, we get to $5 minus $2.80. We get a profit, gross profit per unit of about $2.20. So that's how you figure out the economies of 1 unit. That if I sell everything at $5, just based on that, I'm going to make about $2.20 in profit, just gross. But now we're trying to figure out the net. So let's say that I want to use a school table. So that's $1. So let's say that I use 1 table. So let's say that I borrow 1 table. That's $2.50. Let's say that I get a dozen advertisements, that's $1. Okay, so I get the rent fee. Okay, so that's to occupy space. Let's say that I have my business and license fee, which is $2.50. Now, in this case, I don't have an outside vendor fee, so this would be 0. But if I'm using pizza or anything like that, then that's what I need to do. Same thing with equipment rental. If you would need something from me in terms of equipment, we could figure out a price next week as we prepare for that. So I'm just going to put 0, and then we're going to add all these together. So 250 plus 250 is 5, 10, and then $1. So that would be $11 in operating costs. So that is my operating costs. So what I'm looking at, so my gross profit per unit projected would be $2.20. My operating costs would be about $11. So for the last video, we're going to look at the projected net income and the venture capital request, but that's how you calculate your economies of 1 unit and operating costs.